If you're duct taping 6 different marketing tools together just to close one local client, you're probably crying into your coffee every Sunday morning. You spend hours scraping Google Maps, you build clunky spreadsheets, you send boring templates that get completely ignored. CMSRobots claims to fix this entire mess. They promise to run your whole agency from one single dashboard without bleeding you dry on monthly subscriptions. Let us see if it's actually true. Hey guys, Kamal from testedapps.com here. I have over 6 years of experience in affiliate marketing and SEO. I spend my days testing software that promises the moon. Most of them have a fancy dashboard but deliver absolutely zero results. Today, I am bringing you a completely honest review. Real results, no hype, no fluff. Before we get into the breakdown, make sure to grab this software through my link below. I put together a massive package of exclusive bonuses that you will not find anywhere else. All the details are waiting for you in the description. So what exactly is CMSRobots? It's an all-in-one artificial intelligence agency platform designed for freelancers and digital marketers. The main promise here is huge. It helps you find high-paying local clients, send them personalized cold emails, build pitch decks, and manage your daily delivery. All of this happens from one dashboard without forcing you to pay an endless monthly subscription. Here's how the system works in 3 dead simple steps. Step 1 is the search phase. You just type a niche and a city into the dashboard, something like plumbers in Austin, Texas. It's honestly easier than ordering a pizza on your phone. Step 2 is the core action. You let the artificial intelligence go to work. It pulls the leads and grades their marketing gaps. No PhD in computer science required. Step 3 is the close. You hit a button to generate a custom proposal, send it out, and track the reply. Boom, profit. Now let's break down what actually moves the needle inside this software. First up is the AI lead discovery engine. This is a massive time saver. It hooks directly into the Google Places API and pulls hundreds of verified local businesses in seconds. You get their real names, live websites, and direct phone numbers instantly. No more buying outdated lists from shady data brokers. Second is the audit and scoring system. This is a real painkiller. The artificial intelligence scans every single lead and gives them a score from 0 to 100. It looks for missing SEO, slow-loading websites, and terrible Google reviews. You instantly know exactly who needs your help the most. You can finally stop emailing people blindly. Third is the one-click cold email tool. This one saves your sanity. Instead of sending the exact same boring template to 500 different people, the AI writes a custom email for each specific business. It actually mentions their exact flaws and their city. It sounds like a real human wrote it. That means you get actual replies. Fourth is the proposal generator. When a client finally says they're interested, you don't have to spend 4 hours dragging boxes around. The software built a branded pitch deck in flat-out minutes. It makes a solo freelancer look like a massive corporate agency. Let's talk about the money. The front-end price for CMSRobots is just $14.30. It's a simple one-time payment. There's also a business edition add-on for about $8. Now, think about your current software stack. You probably pay $40 for Lemlist, $50 for Apollo, another $50 for a CRM tool. Trying to run an agency with all those separate bills is like trying to host NASA on a potato. It's expensive and clunky. It adds up to hundreds of dollars a month. With this tool, you pay once and own the core system forever. Okay, let's go over and play a quick video explaining this a little bit more.
What if finding clients was the easiest part of your week? Stop. Before you do anything else today, watch this. Because in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly why talented marketing freelancers and agency owners stay stuck at the same income level for years, while a small group of people using one unfair advantage are signing $2,000, $5,000, even $10,000 a month local business clients on autopilot. And no, it's not about working harder. It's not about being a better marketer. And it's definitely not about sending more cold emails. It's about having a system, a complete AI-powered system that does the hardest parts of running a marketing agency automatically. Keep watching, because what you're about to see changes everything. Here's the truth nobody in this industry wants to say out loud. Most marketing freelancers are spending 80% of their time on everything except marketing. Every Monday morning, the same painful loop. Manually hunting Google Maps for local business leads, copying names into spreadsheets, hunting for emails, writing cold emails that sound like everyone else's, getting ignored, landing a call, then spending 4 hours building a proposal in Canva that still looks amateur next to a real agency deck, losing the deal, then trying to manage 5 active clients across 7 different tools, reports here, invoices there, content somewhere else, and wondering why growth feels impossible. Sound familiar? Here's what nobody tells you. This is not a skills problem. You know your craft. This is a systems problem. And for years, the only people with real systems were big agencies with 10-person teams, $50,000 software budgets, and investors behind them. Solo freelancers and small agency owners left to figure it out manually, tool by tool, Sunday by Sunday, until now. Introducing CMSRobots, the world's first AI platform that finds local business clients, closes them with professional proposals, and delivers your services, all from one dashboard. Here's how it works. You type what you want. Find me dentists in Chicago within 10 miles. CMSRobots connects to the Google Places API and returns hundreds of real, verified local businesses in seconds. Then, and this is where it gets powerful, the AI scores every single business from 0 to 100 based on their real marketing gaps. Missing SEO? Points off. Broken website? Points off. No reviews? Points off. You see exactly who needs you most before you send a single word. Then, one click, CMSRobots writes a genuinely personalized cold email for each prospect. Not a template. A real, specific email referencing their score, their gaps, their city, their niche. The kind of email that gets replies. When they respond, your built-in CRM tracks every lead, every conversation, every next step. Nothing falls through the cracks. When they want a proposal, CMSRobots generates a professional, branded pitch deck in minutes, tailored to that client's exact situation. The kind of proposal that makes a solo freelancer look like a seasoned agency. And once they sign, you manage everything inside the same dashboard. Content, reports, invoicing, team, all of it. One platform, every step, from first lead to paid invoice. Marcus, a solo SEO freelancer in Dallas, used CMSRobots to find and score 140 dentist leads in one campaign, sent AI-personalized emails to 67 of them, closed 6 clients, $8,400 a month in 60 days. Priya, a marketing consultant in London, went from $3,200 to $8,700 a month in 90 days. Same hours, same skills, new system, and Seo Yun, who had been trying to land her first client for 6 weeks with 0 results. Ran one CMSRobots campaign, sent one AI email, sent one AI proposal, and closed a $2,400 a month dentist client in 6 days flat. She told us, "I'm not a natural closer, but with the right system, you don't have to be." Here's what you get when you join CMSRobots today. The AI lead discovery engine, the audit and scoring system, the AI cold email generator, the built-in CRM pipeline, the AI proposal and pitch deck builder, the client delivery dashboard, the full agency management suite, and a commercial license so you keep 100% of every dollar you earn. Plus 5 bonuses, including the 100 client cold email vault, the 6-figure agency playbook, and the proposal that closes guide. Total real-world value, over $5,000. And we considered charging $497 a month. That's what it would cost to build the stack yourself, tool by tool. But today, you pay one small one-time price. No monthly fees. No per lead charges. No surprises. Ever. Right now, in your city, there is a plumber losing customers because his website hasn't been updated since 2015. A dentist bleeding clients to her competitor because she has 12 Google reviews and he has 200. A gym owner who has never shown up on page 1 of Google in his life. They need exactly what you offer. They just don't know you exist yet. CMSRobots is how you change that. Not next month. Not after you build a better system. Today. Click the button below. Get instant access. Run your first campaign in the next 60 minutes. And if CMSRobots doesn't completely transform how you find and close clients, email us within 30 days and we'll refund every single penny. Zero risk. Zero excuses. The only thing standing between you and a full pipeline of local business clients is this one decision. CMSRobots. Find. Pitch. Close. Deliver. Scale. Click below. Let's go. See you inside.
There are some optional upgrades in the funnel. You don't need all of them, but a few are total game changers. OTO1 is the unlimited edition for $37. This removes the daily limit on your lead searches and your email outreach. If you want to scale to 10 grand a month, you absolutely need this. Check the downsell page to grab it for $27. OTO2 is the done-for-you edition. It costs $67. This is my top pick if your goal is to skip the technical setup phase and start selling immediately. OTO3 is the Site's Robot edition for $27. Grab this if you want to offer full website builds to the leads you just found. Finally, OTO7 is the white label upgrade for $297. This lets you rebrand the whole software with your own logo. You can sell it as your own SaaS company. It's a massive recurring cash flow opportunity. I put this software through my usual torture test. I ran searches for roofing contractors in a few different Midwestern cities. I fully expected the AI to hand me generic, useless data, but it actually pulled incredibly accurate info. The audit scores were completely spot on, and the emails it generated didn't sound like a weird robot trying to fit in. They sounded like me. Having your leads, your email sending, and your client pipeline all in one window is a massive stress relief. But let me be totally transparent about what this is not. This is not a magic ATM machine. This is not for lazy people. You still have to put in the effort. The software finds the leads and sends the emails, but you still have to fulfill the service. If you sell SEO services, you still have to do the SEO work. If you sell social media, you still have to post the content. If you're looking for a magic push-button secret so you can sit on a beach and do absolutely zero work, keep scrolling. This is a real tool for real business builders. Imagine waking up on a Monday morning. You don't have to manually scrape leads. You don't have to write cold emails from scratch. You open your laptop and look at a clean pipeline full of warm prospects who actually want to talk to you. You manage all your clients from one simple screen. No stress, no missed follow-ups. That's the exact future CMSRobots unlocks for you. It gives you your precious time back. The link is right below in the description. Grab it right now because this launch pricing definitely won't last much longer. Got questions about the software or the upgrades? Drop a comment below and I will answer you personally. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more honest product reviews. This is Kamal from testedapps.com. See you in the next video.